Hey everyone, it's Vince here, and I wanted to get this onboarding video out for new Slice subscribers starting this weekend. I've got the Tesla weekly chart here in front of us, and it was just an amazing week. The setups that we had coming into the week played out beautifully, plus $37 on the week. And the best part is there's more upside to come, in my opinion. Now, I often say that all you really need is a couple of really high quality setups in a month to be able to meet your monthly profit target. And that's where patience really pays off, waiting for those quality setups and then being able to jump on them when you see them rather than chasing every move and getting chopped up. Well, a lot of you know me from X as I do detailed daily live Tesla analysis for many years. And now I just want to announce that for the first time, I'm really excited to be partnering with Slice exclusively for detailed, thorough, and most importantly, simple technical analysis on other tickers. So it's going to be a weekend project of mine. It's not going to take away anything from what I do on X. And I'm really excited because I think it's going to open up a lot of opportunities. And I'm calling it Chart Club. And so what the goal is to build a chart book over time of many different tickers where I'm going to keep track and map different levels. It'll take a bit of work at first, but as we get going, we'll be able to do updates to those. And really what we're doing is, like what we did with Tesla this week, we're looking for high quality setups that can make us a lot of profit by being patient and waiting for those. What I don't want to do is I don't want to be somebody that chases a meme stock or jump on a stock that's already gone parabolic, because anyone can jump on a stock that's gone parabolic. But the real skill is knowing when to press the accelerator and when to hit the brakes. And we want to get in those names before the big move happens. We don't want to be at the tail end of that move that already went parabolic. So the weekend analysis for Slice subscribers is going to include a full and detailed breakdown of all the tickers that we discussed there. Additionally, subscribers will get a labeled detailed chart for 3 different time frames. You'll have the daily, weekly, and monthly. And when it comes to analysis, technical analysis, there's hundreds of levels, there's indicators galore, and there's many, many tools that can be used. Rest assured, I'm looking at all of that for you behind the scenes. And when I prepare my research, I don't leave any stone unturned. But what you see as the subscribers, you're going to see the polished product. You're going to see simple levels and the most important zones that I uncovered in my research. My goal is to provide clarity for reading chart structure, and that includes the support and resistance zones. So each weekend, I'm going to be dropping the analysis for Slice subscribers, and I aim to get that out to you on Saturdays, but sometimes I'll get it out a little bit earlier on a Friday, and sometimes it might be a little bit later on a Sunday. But rest assured, the analysis will be out to you consistently every week. And, if we identify a strong potential setup, we're going to be tracking that same ticker the following week too. And like I say, we're going to be building our chart book over time. For the ticker selection, I prefer to focus on mid-size and large-size market cap. I try to avoid the smaller companies, especially if they're not profitable. I just find that with those types of companies and stocks, they tend to be ruled more by their fundamentals than their technicals. And this is a game all about probability. So we want the best chance of success by not letting poor fundamentals get in the way for our stock selections. So Slice subscribers, feel free to drop a name of a ticker that you might want to see reviewed, and I'll take it under consideration. And by the way, I do provide detailed analysis every day, as I mentioned, on X for Tesla, but that doesn't mean I can't cover it a little bit on Slice. What I mean by that is I'm going to wait for the highest quality setups and then let you know about those for Tesla as well too. So you won't miss out on that as well. In summary, Chart Club is going to focus on structure, patience, and risk management. Every setup I provide is also going to have an invalidation level, because knowing when to get out is just as important as when to enter. So yeah, I'm going to put the link for Slice in the comments below and hope to see you there. Have a great weekend.